Varo Believe Credit Builder Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how simple it can be to start building credit with the right card. Most people get the Varo Believe Credit Builder Card wrong because they think it's a typical credit card. But the surprising truth is that it's designed specifically to help people establish or repair their credit without risk. Unlike traditional credit cards, this card doesn't require a hard credit pull, making approval easier. You transfer funds into a secured account, and that balance becomes your spending limit. Every on-time payment is reported to all 3 major credit bureaus, quietly improving your credit score over time. There's no annual fee, and interest doesn't apply because it functions as a secured card. That means responsible use directly benefits your credit without creating debt. Varo also provides real-time transaction monitoring and spending alerts, giving you control over your finances. The card integrates with Varo's app, allowing easy balance tracking, payment reminders, and financial insights. Most people overlook how important this integration is. It ensures consistent payments, which is the key to building credit efficiently. The catch? This card isn't for people looking for rewards or perks. Its sole purpose is credit building, so if you already have good credit or want cashback, it won't be the best fit. Verdict: worth it for anyone starting or rebuilding credit. Leave it if your credit is already strong or you want traditional rewards.